Hi guys, welcome to ICT Insiders. Today I will create one video to say about the how to back up and restore in Windows 10. I think maybe all of you know very well about backup, but some maybe not to understand yet about the backup and restore in Windows 10. So probably it's not different for the previous out the window operation system for backup and restore, but today I will just show you describe about what is the backup and system remake and reset in your Windows 10. So the Windows 10 right now, they provide us with several of features for backup and restore, and in that feature it's described once is the backup and restore with the Windows 7. So this tool is for it's built with the Windows 10, but unfortunately it's not it removed from Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. The other tool is the create a system remake. So this create a system remake is mean that if your Windows operation system fail, it means that it cannot loading some problem like if you lose or they make the file in Windows. So we can make create the system remake. So after that you can restore it by as a step that you have to make it. And the other choice is a reset. It means that the reset is the alternative window offers that we can recover the system, but simply we call the reset that maybe you return your laptop or your window or your computer to other people to use. So you need to restore it to factory setting. I go to the setting. Everyone, you can go to setting and you will find there's update and securities. You go to that, so you click on that, and just leave it because I just showed you it's a backup. It's a window update. Check it, but now my window is on update. So window update is very important for operating system, like they provide us with the problem with the OS operation system. So you should be update every week or every month, for any available on that. So I just go to the backup once, and this is for 2 points for in the backup. It means that the backup using file history, it's the backup file to the other drive and restore them if original are lost or damaged or delete. So this backup is like you using the file history and you need to back up on that, but you must need to add drive like USB drive or use the board drive. So you can make other drive to do that, but this one I'm not supposed to do this because everyone that using Windows 7 and you can back up and restore in the Windows 10. It's like migration. I think maybe migration. Okay, I click to backup. So it has 2 parts. First is the backup and second is the restore. So you need to go to backup. This is the location for minute backup. It backup every 3 days or 5 days. So I just backup already. I think maybe my backup is 3rd and maybe 6th the backup plans. So everyone, you can click on backup, and after that they will show you how to backup startup progress. So the backup, it's mean that I backup the Windows operating system. It mean in Tri-C, so everything in Tri-C. So you can see detail for backup and recovery. So after you complete on this, you can make a file system in Tri-D and you can restore it from that part. Yeah, it's maybe spend a little bit time, but I think maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes up to your system side. Okay, so right now it's set the backup is complete and some of will skip. It's okay because related to the file repair or create a system repair this also. Yeah, so right now it's completely, so you can go to find the backup part. So I'm starting to go to this one, this is a backup part. So okay, so that after I go back up, I just show you more about the restore. So you just go the same of the backup, like you go to backup and restore in Windows 10 and go to click it again and you go to the restore file, but you must be check that what is from restore from it. You can restore your file that will backup on the current location. Restore all restore file or select the other backup restore file. I think maybe your register file, I think we use like the other backup file. So that this currently I have a backup moment, so you can click on that. So you did this select for a file that you want to backup, sorry, that you want to restore. In this time you can browse for folder or you can browse for file. If you browse for file, it means that if you load one file or two files in your current using, so you can browse for that to get the file back. But if you think that you want to restore back to all folders, you can browse for the folder. So I click on that and I get this. So start to restore it back. So I just click next, and if I want to keep in the original location, I can restore to original location. But if I want to try to other, I can restore into the other location. Okay, this one I'm not restore. I just show you how to restore it. Okay, right now I'm finished for the backup and restore with Windows 10. Sorry, with Windows 7 backup using in Windows 10. So the other is for the system image. Create the system image. Yes, create the system image. At the moment, it's create the system image. It means like you make your system as whole system as a backup. When you have trouble or problem, but you loading, you can restore it. So here we go. So you can go to the setting again. Go to the setting again, and you go to the backup, and you go to the backup, and you go to backup and restore Windows 10. And here in the left hand, you can see the create a system image. So I just click on the system image. So yeah, where you want to save the backup. This one is like to destination where you want to backup. It means if you use the DVD drive or network location, up to you. Like right now, the backup, it can be backup on the cloud or the server, Windows server or shared drive, etc. or DVD. But mostly right now, I think maybe they won't use the DVD. They just use for network or backup in the drive. So this translate is on the same physics disk that begin backup. If this fail, you will lose all backup. Yeah, it means that if you click on that, if you have two try, like try C or try D, but if you wish to store in try D, but fortunately the drive, it means that the physical is broken, it can be left, it can be gone. So it just post that won't let you choose to be like that, but if you can choose like that, it's okay. But if you choose like this, you must understand that when the physical disk problem, everything gone. Okay, I just click that because it's a jump off that's supposed to you or live on the networks. Okay, this one is quick try. Do you want to include this backup? So I just click all, and I create a backup all. So the system C, Windows Discovery, and yeah. Okay. This one is just set by encryption, but if I choose this encryption, it means my physical is not encryption. Make sure I stay in the secure location. It's okay. So when I start to backup, it means that I will create the image. Okay. So it will take a long time on that. So I suppose you to start to backup later, because could be take 63 gigabit of this page. So please backup. If you have any problem, you can comment in below my video. And I'm already backup. I will show you. I go to my backup file, and this is a window image backup that I have. That I have already backup. So when I start to program the window, I can browse for this image. Okay. Yeah, right now we have two parts for backup. One is you backup and restore all file that you backup in the your document or library or file that you backup in drive C, and you want to restore it. And the other is the window image backup. Now I go to tell you about the last one is the reset. A reset, it means that a reset, the setting is like a reset to the default factory. Yeah, so I go to the setting again. You can go to setting and go to recovery. You click on recovery, and this one is show about the reset the PC. When you click on that, it means that you keep to choose this file, or you remove everything. It can remove all app and setting, but keep your personal file. Remove all of your personal file, app and setting. Yeah, in this side, I want to tell you that if you feel you install some program or some app in your Windows or your operating system, some virus can attack you by chance. So that is the cause that make your Windows running a bit slow. So if you feel that your Windows is not well of running, you can keep my file and just remove app, and you can install it again. But if you think that you want to give your laptop to the other people using, you can choose this side. It means remove all your personal file and app. But in the video, I'm not show you about to reset because I don't reset it. Yeah, I think maybe right now is the end of my video, and thank you for everyone for spending the time and watching my video. So I think my video can help you to understand more a bit about the backup and system make and reset in Windows 10. I hope this video will help you. And if you have any comment or any point that you want understand better, you can comment below my video. And thank you again.